Alright, today is May 24, 2014, and after a big ride this morning, Mondi invited us for a camping here at Dipping Springs campground. Yeah. Chinese pancake. That will be our snack for tonight. And this is Mama's campsite. There you go. Enjoy it, and this is Jerry, Coco, Mondi, Angelica, Anthony, and Armando's tent campsite. There you go. We're all sleeping on mini RVs. There you go. There you go. This is Angelica's kitchen. Camping, we bring the kitchen. This is fun. After a big ride this morning, there you go. We deserve it. We deserve to rest. Look, Mondi's resting. So relax. So relaxed. We did good.
We did good. We got it home at 11 o'clock sharp.
15 miles per hour average speed. Wow. What's that? Oh, there you go.
See that? Generator.
The generator remote control.
I'm going to turn it off now.
Our best actor, Casper. Right, Casper? Hello. Hello. There you go. There you go. There you go. This is our dinner. What do you have, Angelica? We have spaghetti. Spaghetti, rice, and vegetable.
Are you ready?
Mama! See, that's a traditional old-fashioned washing hand. Hand washing. Okay. Dinner served. Alright. There you go. Everybody's having fun. Outdoor dinner. We have lots of food. Woohoo! And then we will do some night hiking later tonight.
Wow, we
Picture
have
months is good.
crabs. Today is Saturday.
Saturday dinner. Memorial Day weekend. After the big ride.
Yeah.
Metric Century.
Yes, Mama. Armando. Wow, everyone's quiet. We're eating.
Don't disturb us. We're eating.
Crab leg. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Let's close the door.
Good morning, Mamay. It's Sunday, May 25. And you're making what? Hot cocoa. Good morning, Mamay. Good morning. It's Sunday, May 25. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's breakfast time. Armando, how's sleep last night? Good? You sleep good? How about Anthony? You had a good time last night? Angelica, did you see the raccoon?
Yeah.
I took a video. There you go. That's our lunch this morning. Raccoon barbecue. Mama, good morning. We're starting the trail. Sunday. It's about 9:30 a.m. We're about to start the what do you call this? Tibia Wilderness, Agua Tibia Wilderness. In and then sign out when you come back, so that the rangers know if there's a body on the trail, or else they're gonna look for you on the trail.
Okay,
All right. All right, picture. There you go. Here's the hiking group. Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! There you go. Hiking, hiking, hiking.
2 hours
Hi-
out.
2 hours in. What time is it now?
9:40.
9:40. Okay, that's recorded. So.
Who
No.
agree with that one? Who agree? 2 hours in.
Okay, it's 9:40.
Okay, no
Everyone
objection.
agree?
2 hours. 2 hours it is.
There you go. It's a commitment now. There you go. It's hiking time. Last night we have a good time. We had crab legs and barbecue pork. What else do we have? We have spaghetti. There you go. We're having a great time. Woohoo! Switchback.
There's a lot of
First switchback. Okay, this is the junction trail between Wild Horse Trail and Dripping Springs. So we're decided to go to
Wild horse.
Wild Horse. Yoo-hoo! There you go. This is the trail going to Wild Horse Trail. There you go. Yan. Ang tagal mag-set up.
Here you go. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Casper. You're the leader? Casper, you're the leader? There you go.
She's pulling me.
There you go.
I got demoted by Coco. I got demoted by Coco. I'm
There you
supposed to be the
go.
sweeper. Because I'm the nice guy.
I'm the nicer guy.
Woohoo! Everybody having fun. Happy, 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 happy.
In here at least, there's a lot of trees. Switch over!
Another switchback.
Switch back!
Okay, where are we now? Poison?
It's entering the Poison Ivy Alley.
Oh, scary. Scary. There you go. Woohoo! Flowers? Under the shade, hiking under the shade. So far so good.
So far so good, so far so proud.
Casper, so far so good. Angelica, Anthony, Armando, and Mondi. Lot of energy today. Woohoo! Lot of energy. Woohoo! Lot of flowers. Very nice weather. What's the temperature right now? Maybe it's around
90?
already? Oh, killing me.
Nice!
Look at that. There you go. There's
10
Casper.
minutes. 10 minutes. We will take a break.
There you go. Casper, break time. There you go. So right now it's exactly 10:40. We've been hiking for an hour already. How many miles? Okay, we took a break after an hour. We did 1.35 miles in 1 hour. It's really good. And everybody's enjoying. Woohoo, Anthony! There you go. Right now is 10:43. We took a 3 minutes break after an hour hike. 1.35 miles so far. Woohoo! And we have another 1 hour to go before we go back. There you go. It's river crossing, dry river. Wow. Wow. I'm so tired already. Oh. There you go. Everyone enjoying the hike. There you go. Casper's tired, thirsty.
That's okay, I cannot. It will not drain. More, come on, Casper, more. Here, finish it.
Okay, we're getting to steeper part.
Oh gee, we're still on the same side. Why not go to the other side of the mountain? We're still on the same side of the mountain.
All right. Here we go. Okay, it's the last 8 minutes of the hike and we're going to return back. It's already 11:32 a.m. All right, this is it. It's 11:35. We concluded our hiking turning point. So this will be a turning point. It's 11:35. We hike about 2.7 miles. We gain about 600 feet elevation. Right now is 2,167 feet. There you go. Taking breath on the turning point.
Lunch break.
Lunch break. What do you have? Trail mix.
Trail mix again.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. It's like a garden here. Look at that. There we go. We made it back. It's 1:25 p.m. and we're back to where we start earlier at 9:40 a.m. Agua Tibia Wilderness. Here you go. There you go. We're almost there. Woohoo! Yay! Yay! We made it! Yoo-hoo! We made it!